How to hide and unhide Snapchat charms. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In today's video, I will simply show you how you can hide and then unhide Snapchat charms. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to hide or unhide Snapchat charms, first of all, open Snapchat and then come to the chat page. So you simply want to long press on a specific chat, for example, and then here you'll find the option called View Friendship, which is at the very top of the screen. So you just want to tap on the option that says View Friendship over here. Once you tap on View Friendship, scroll down to the bottom of the screen and then you should be able to find all of the charms over here, as you could basically see. So if you'd like to hide a specific charm, just tap on that charm over here and then you'll be able to find the three dots right next to it, and then you'll be able to find the option called Hide Charm from the bottom of the screen. Now keep in mind that you cannot hide all of the charms. For this case, it is asking me to hide, so just go ahead and tap on the hide button. And if I try to hide the other one, you can see we do not have the option, and similarly for the other ones as well. And in order to unhide it, you have to do it from an iOS device and not from an Android, so you will not be able to unhide it if you're using an Android. Hope this video helped you as to how you can hide and unhide charms on Snapchat. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in the next video.